guys, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I have a Costco haul for you guys today, and if you hear a noise in the background, my dishwasher is going, so I'm sorry about that. We actually went to Costco last night and got back pretty late, so I put all the cold stuff away, but I got it back out to show you what we got, because if you've watched my channel for a while, this is the third time that we will now have, well, we've had a Costco membership and canceled twice already. Most recently, early 2020, we had decided to cancel our membership. I'd gone and gotten like a bunch of stuff stocked up on lots of things, especially toilet paper. Little did I know that toilet paper was going to become such a hot commodity in 2020, but I'm so glad I did that. We did not have any toilet paper supply issues in our house thanks to that. But it's been over a year now, and we just really decided that we wanted to go ahead and join again with the cheaper membership, because for us, we used to have the executive membership 2 different times and found that it really wasn't worth the extra cost to get the executive versus the basic one. I still stand by some of the things that I said before. Some things are not cheaper. In our case, our Costco is quite a ways of a drive from us. It's not like I can just easily hop over there and get things we're out of. And there is a storage issue, but I mentioned in a video recently when I did kind of a kitchen reorganization, food stockpile, kind of building a stockpile video. I'll link it below if you haven't seen it. I did mention in that video that I am working on trying to create a food stockpile. Now this has to be a very realistic one because I don't have a ton of room for just a bunch of extra stuff. And that's one reason why I did that video, was trying to make more room for extra food. But I do feel like it's important to have a little bit of a stockpile with most things. And like I said, the toilet paper in particular, that became a huge thing that I was so glad that we had, because we would have probably run out of toilet paper if I hadn't had that stuff. So I'm deciding to try it one more time at the cheaper rate and really focusing on the unit price of things. And so I made a list of all the things that I normally buy at my grocery store, the unit price either per pound or per ounce, and I compared most every single thing that I compared that Costco has, that my grocery store also has, Costco is cheaper. So I've got most of the stuff here in front of me, a few things behind me. Obviously the Kirkland toilet paper, it's the Costco brand of toilet paper. It's really good quality, and I think for the price you cannot beat it. Also the all detergent, it was $10.99 for 158 loads, and I pay like $9.79 for 132 loads, I think, at Target. So big savings there. I also use vinegar a lot, so I got, I think, a vinegar, which was cheaper at Costco. Organic mac and cheese. My oldest daughter can't have it, but my youngest daughter can, so this will last a very long time, and it was on sale as well. It was like $9, I think, for all of those. One of the biggest savings is the silk oat milk back here that my oldest daughter has to have because she's dairy free. 3 64-ounce containers was $7.99. I pay on sale $3.49 for one at Kroger. So that was a huge bargain, so I got that. Also, we've never had these, I've never seen these. They do have coconut in them, a little bit of coconut, which my oldest daughter is allergic to coconut, but not severely. And both girls wanted to try this. They are gluten-free, which is good because she can't have gluten. So thought we would try these. Also, we got the peanut butter. I've never gotten peanut butter at Costco, but it was cheaper to get this here than it is to get the organic peanut butter that we get at Kroger. I just hope I like the taste. I'm pretty picky about my peanut butter, but we will try that out. Also, the girls like these organic Eos Lip Balms, and it was a really good deal to get this multi-pack, so pick that up. And of course, as you notice, there are some muffins missing. You can't beat the Costco muffins. My oldest daughter is not supposed to have them, but we got them anyway for my youngest, and my husband can take some to work or whatever. Got those. Also, this soap smells so good. It is the Australian Botanical soap, and it smells super good. So I got that because I do try to buy them more natural soap, and it's usually like between $3 and $5 a bar. And this was $14.99 for 8 bars. I thought that was a good deal. Also the A1, $8.99 for 2 of these really big bottles, the 20-ounce bottles. They don't even have those, I don't think, at the grocery store. So I got that. My husband got some Arnold Palmer Tea and some Ale that he takes to work. Also, this is for my husband. He actually tested it out last night and said it was really good. He likes a specific, like very dark, bold coffee that he gets at Kroger. And at Kroger, it's $26.99 for 32 K-cups of what he normally gets at Kroger, and this was $34.99 for 120. So huge difference in price, huge savings. So he said that it was a little bit of a different taste, but he still liked it, and for the price difference and the savings, it was definitely worth getting this versus getting the one at Kroger. Over here, I have a few things that are missing. He did get like a multi-pack of candy bars and some beef jerky sticks that he took to work, so I don't have those to show you. But one of the main things that I wanted to work on building a stockpile up of is meat. It's hard to do that at Kroger when a pound of organic chicken breasts on sale is $9.74, typically $8 or $9. Right now it's $9.74. At Costco, per pound for organic chicken breast, it's $5.49. So obviously that's a huge savings and something that's gonna be a lot easier for me to stockpile. I'm gonna go ahead after I get done filming this and get this out and vacuum seal it with my food vacuum sealer. I love that thing, and I'm really trying to make sure that I'm doing that so that everything that I'm freezing is gonna last longer. So I got 2 packages of those, also organic ground beef. Again, it was a huge savings, a couple dollars per pound difference. Same thing with ground turkey. This is a huge deal because my oldest daughter eats organic turkey breast a lot during the week because she does have so many dietary restrictions with her allergies. This was $13.99 for this, but you get 3 packages, and there's like, I don't even know how many slices in there, a ton of slices, where normally I pay, I think $5 or $6 for a package of 6 slices of organic turkey at Kroger. So a huge savings here. Also, my husband wanted to try this Maine lobster ravioli. He already ate one of it because it was a 2-pack, but he loved it. He said it was really good. So that is something that only he will eat, but he did like it, and so we picked that up. First trip back Costco haul, I think we did really well. Just the savings we've already made in this trip alone, I definitely think the cheaper membership is gonna be more easily worth it for us than the more expensive one. And I'm excited to go back to Costco. I love it, and I knew I was gonna miss it when we didn't have it. Everybody loves going there, even the kids. I don't know why, there's something so fun and satisfying about it, but we all do really enjoy going to Costco's. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more Costco hauls in the future, make sure you give this one a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.